Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Cisco CIVS-IPC-4500E IP camera on our desk. The camera has no power. It's not turning on at all. We'll walk you through the entire process, from diagnosing the fault to repairing and finally showing the working result. The diode plays a very important role in the power section. It allows current to pass in one direction while protecting the circuit from reverse polarity. We checked this section using a multimeter and found that the diode is faulty. It's shorted. Now we desolder the short diode. We then solder in a brand new diode of the same rating to restore proper current flow into the board. Always make sure to align the diode correctly according to its polarity marking. Now, it's time to test. We power on the camera, and there we go! The Cisco CIVS-IPC-4500E powers up successfully. It's a simple but essential repair. Replacing a faulty diode brought this IP camera back to life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other repair. Thanks for watching!